In the previous videos, we added these variations with colors, but you can add all the variations that you want. So for example, let's say that we want to sell different sizes of towels. So we're gonna open here on the left, we have attributes. And from here, I'm gonna add size. So we're gonna add something called a global attribute. And this is going to be an attribute that you can use on different products. The size is really common. That is a global attribute. Because for example, you can see we have other towels and you can use the attribute right here. The sub, they are the same. And we have other towels right here. Maybe the home kits are also sell on different sizes, the candles and everything. So we're gonna create a global attribute. It's going to be size. In the type you can see select or text. We're gonna select the select option and I'm gonna add the attribute. Then we add the terms. So we're gonna configure terms here on the right. And I'm gonna add small, add new size, medium, add new size, and large. So add new size. So now you can see we have large, medium, and small. So let's open again the towel and I'm gonna click here on edit product. And you can scroll and open attributes right here. And you can create or load this attribute, the global attribute that we have here on attributes. So it's going to be size and add. And from here you can select all the terms. So for example, let's say, and open attributes. Let's say that we're setting these towels, and I'm gonna click here on configure terms, only on large and small. So you can add something like large and small. And of course, if you wanna add medium, you can add medium right here. But if you're adding, and I'm gonna remove this, you can click here on select all, and this will load all the terms. And you can also use this for variations and save the attributes. So for example, if I update this and reload the front end, now you can see that we have size right here. And you can select a large, a medium, or a small towel with your right here. So for example, you can also add different prices. So you can open variations. You don't add variation, you can click here and create variations for all the attributes and go. So now you can see we have yellow and small, yellow and medium, yellow and large, red, and the different sizes. So for example, I'm gonna click here on the triangle and the yellow and small, and I'm gonna select this one, set variation. And for example, yellow and small is gonna cost 3, and collapse this. And of course, I'm not gonna add all the sizes. So click here, it's going to be this one. Maybe this one is going to be 5. And for the large version, I'm gonna add also the image. And maybe it's going to be 7 right here. So you can update this. And you can see that I edited the yellow color. So now you can reload the front end. And you can see that we have yellow. And you can select large. And you can see 7. Medium is 5. And the small version is 3. So this way you saw the power of variations and how easy you can manage different sizes and colors for your products. And this interface is really flexible. So attributes and variations are really powerful also. And instead of adding a bunch of products using the same name and sharing the same description and everything, you can use a variation.